down to the buzzbin, and it's about that fateful night. I just wanted to say fateful night like a storyteller. Down the buzzbin, guzzling beer, she sat down with a newfound fear. Punched the wall till it was bloody, 'cause her lover done left her, his best buddy now. She's wailing on the sidewalk, speaking some kind of slow talk. Don't borrow condoms, Ollie rocker with a $5 suit and boots that holler. Got himself a dame that he calls his girl. She cleans up his mess when they unfurl. She covers as a savior, enables his behavior. You see, I wanted to believe all that she was saying. In a world of lies, there's really no believing. It is not the cost, it is just the purchase, especially if you buy from a drunken merchant. Dame comes calling 'cause the man got violent. He forfeit the money, place got silent. What's done is done, don't want no part. You got yourself a rocker but forgot about the heart. Hey, reaping what you sow now. Better go and turn my ego down. Got some eyes for the blacked out sister by the gray school wife with a bloody fish chair. Pull on the cab, waiting on the corner. You know that it's time when that taxi goes forward. That time to change the scenery and get where I'm believing. You see, I wanted to believe all that she was saying. In a web of lies, there's really no believing. It is not the cost, it's just the purchase, especially if you buy from a drunken merchant.